Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure both devices are ready. The mobile client and your Ps5 system software must be updated. Sign into the exact same hoyo.lab/myhoyo account on your phone and confirm your email or phone number now, because the Ps5 link will validate that identity. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication or any security prompts are active and that you have access to codes. These steps avoid account mismatch and save time when you trigger the Ps5 linking flow next. Now you perform the core linking. On your mobile, open Genshin and go straight to Profile, then Account Center and tap Link Console. Select PlayStation Network as the target. The mobile app will show a temporary code or QR that expires. Write it down or keep the phone ready. Next, on your Ps5 launch Genshin, choose the Sign-in link option and enter the code or scan the QR with your phone. Do this without delay, because codes time out and repeating steps wastes time. Finish by confirming the link prompts on Ps5. You will see your account name and progress preview, except to finalize the connection. Make choices exactly as prompted if there are merge or replacement warnings so you don't overwrite unintended saves. Once linked, verify characters and resin/currency sync. If something fails, reissue the mobile code, check that mobile and PSN regions match, and restart both the mobile app and Ps5 client. That resolves most timing or session issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.